In this video, we'll be showing you how you can download your statements or bank statements in Chase. As you can see, this is a prepared article by Chase to answer this common question. Well, Chase answered this directly and easily. So first is to access your chase.com, or if you're a mobile phone, we will be explaining that later. First is to click on the main menu symbol in the top left corner of your dashboard and choose Statements and Documents. This is for website. Choose the year and account and click the open or save icon to the right of each statement, and then download the generated file. Meanwhile, for the mobile application, you just need to click on the profile and settings icon in the top right corner, then select the statements and documents within Document Manager and click on Statements. Then select your account and then the year and statement to open as a PDF file after downloading the PDF file. So that's it. That's how you can download your bank statements in Chase easily, and thank you for listening.